Hey YouTube, today I'm going to share with you a very delicious strawberry ice cream recipe. It's very simple with few ingredients. You can make it within few minutes and you can store this for at least 3-4 months and you can enjoy this real strawberry ice cream, and definitely it will be loved by your kids as well as all your family members in this hot summer season. So let's get started. Here I'm taking around 1.5 cup of sugar, and if you don't like sugar you can reduce a little bit, and then we will take 4 cups of frozen strawberry. You can even use fresh strawberry if you want, but frozen strawberries will be best for making instant ice cream. And this is the 4th cup, so around 4 cups of frozen strawberries, 1.5 cup of sugar, and 473 ml of whipping cream. You can take full fat or semi-skimmed, and then few drops of vanilla essence. And other than these all ingredients, that is sugar, strawberry and vanilla essence and whipping cream, I'm also going to use 2 more ingredients which are totally optional. One is salt. I'm going to use around 3 to 4 pinch of salt, and red food color. So red food color and salt is optional. It's up to you guys. If you want you can put, otherwise no problem. So now to make the strawberry ice cream, I'm going to use the Ninja food blender, and here it is. And in this I'm going to put all these ingredients, that is strawberry, sugar and whipping cream, and then to this I'm going to add few drops of vanilla essence and some salt. Salt is optional, and vanilla essence just add few drops, don't add too much because that will change the taste of your ice cream. And now we are going to grind this ingredients. I'm using a pulse option in the machine. When you look at the Ninja machine options, when you open that, you have so many options. Here I'm using pulse, and I'm going to press the pulse option for at least 29 times, as you can see. And you can also do it double the time depending on the type of texture of your ice cream you need. Now after grinding it for 29 times, you can see that the texture looks like this. It has a little amount of chunks in it, but if you personally like chunks in the strawberry ice cream, you can keep as it is, but I personally like it more smooth, so I grinded it further. So this is how the consistency should look like. So now I'm going to freeze this ice cream. You don't need to wait for a long time, and this is actually pretty much ready to serve to your kids if you want on instant basis. And if you just want to freeze it, this is the right time. You should immediately remove it in a container, and you have to freeze it for a couple of hours. So I'm removing this in a container, and then after totally removing it in the container, I'm going to freeze this in the freezer. With this amount of ingredients, you will be able to make almost 2 liters of ice cream. I'm going to cover this either with a lid or a plastic cover, so it totally your personal choice, but I like to keep that. And after 1 hour of freezing it, I'm going to give another churn to this. The reason is I want extreme smooth ice cream, so for this reason, but this step is totally optional. It's up to you. If you want to do it, do it. If you don't want, just leave it to freeze it and you can enjoy the ice cream. So but I like it very smooth, so after 1 hour I have removed it from the container to give one more grind to the ice cream. And in this step I'm also going to add some food color. I'm using red food color, and food color is totally optional, but it just gives a nice pinkish color to the ice cream and it looks like more professional kind of, but it is totally optional. If you want you can, if you don't want you can just ignore that. So after adding the color, I'm just grinding it for another couple of minutes, and then I'm going to remove it in the container. Now you can see after grinding for another few minutes and adding the color, you see this is how the ice cream look like. And now I'm going to put it back in the same container. You can see now I'm putting back in the same container and I'm going to cover it with the same plastic paper, and I'm going to place this in the refrigerator. And you can actually serve to your kids after 3 hours, and after 3 hours this is how the ice cream looks like, and it's very smooth and very silky. And you can see this is how the ice cream look like after 3 hours of freezing. Very smooth, very soft and delicious. And if you want more stronger texture, like you don't want smooth, you want a little hard, then you can keep all through night. And after keeping all through night in the freezer, this is how the ice cream look like. And you can keep this outside for at least 4 to 5 minutes so that the ice cream gets loosened out from the container, and then you can scoop it out. So you can see that this is how the ice cream scoop look like after freezing it for whole night. And you can store this in freezer for 3 to 4 months. You can have this delicious dessert anytime in summer. Enjoy it with your family. Definitely it will be loved by all your family members, especially kids. And this is real strawberry ice cream with real whipping cream, so there is nothing artificial in this, and color is also optional. So definitely this is a very healthy delicious dessert for all your family. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you so much for watching.